How to deactivate and delete stock inventory location in your Shopify store. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So the first thing that we will need to do is just log into our Shopify admin and click on settings from the bottom left. And now you simply want to access the locations tab right over here. So the first step would be to actually change your default location. So let's say your default location is the one that you want to delete. In that case, you want to set another location to be the default in order for you to actually proceed and delete the location that you want. So again, if this is the location that you want to delete, you simply just want to click on change and select a different one. So this is the first step. The second step would be to move the inventory that you have that are related to this specific location to a different one. So to do so, you simply just want to deactivate it, and it's just going to do it automatically for you. So we're just going to click on test location. This is the one that I want to basically remove. So there are some items that are related to this location. So what I want to do is click on more actions from the top right corner and click on deactivate location. Now it's going to obviously ask you to select a different one that is basically just going to inherit the inventory. So you're just going to select the other one that you want to move things to and click on deactivate location. Now, once you do these two steps, it's going to be available the option to actually remove it. Again, it's going to be within the more actions button from the top right corner. Click on delete and click on delete location one more time, and we're pretty much good to go. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.